sleep is able to fight the damaging inflammation that causes our multiple sclerosis. I'm going to show you how I stopped my MS using it. I believe so much in deep sleep. So much so, I included it as one of my 5 essential elements of MS recovery. Hey, it's Steve. My friend Angela recently asked me about the device I use to track and monitor my sleep. I'm going to do more than that. I'm going to show you how I made a sleep mask that enhances sleep. I've always had a fractured relationship with sleep. But years ago, I stumbled on the discovery that using a sleep mask helped. I'll admit, it was odd to wear at first, but eventually it became second nature. Now, I don't know where I'd be without it. Studies have shown wearing an eye mask results in an increase in the amount of REM sleep and a less time falling asleep. I made my sleep headband with different parts I've acquired and tested out over the years. It seems hard to do, but it's really not. I'll guide you through. So in my opinion, this is the best hybrid. I use the inner workings of a sleep phone's effortless sleep mask. I'll put links to everything in the description below. You'll see why I bought the parts individually as I walk you through. I didn't like the headband acoustic sheet sold with the Effortless module and speakers. I took a long time to find one that I actually loved. And once I did, it's amazing. It's stretchy and cool and doesn't get hot. But the problem are the speakers. With the original pair sold with the headband, they say they are thin, but in my opinion, they feel like bricks against my ears. Which is a horrible feeling for a side sleeper like me. So I ripped out the module and speakers and threw them away. This is where the Effortless speakers enter. The Effortless speakers are amazing. I lay on them night after night and I never feel them. Attached to the module, you have the inner workings all together. Next, you'll need the charger. It got the name Effortless because all you have to do is rest the module on top and it will charge through the fabric of the sleep mask. When the module starts charging, the orange light will turn a pulsating green light. Then, once the charging process is complete, the green light stops pulsating and turns a solid green. Next step is to assemble everything. This is where it's a little hard. There was this little pocket that used to hold the old module, and it makes it kind of squeeze to get a speaker from the one side to the other. But the material is stretchy. Just slowly push the speaker and it will make it through. I put the Effortless module in the middle, but it seems to roam over time. And the speakers do too. But it doesn't matter as long as it feels comfortable. Next is pairing the module with your phone. Before it went in the mask, you might see on the module there are 3 buttons: volume up and down on the sides, and on and off in the middle. Just hold the middle button down for 5 seconds That will make it go into discovery mode. In settings on your phone, under Bluetooth, go, when it's in discovery mode, select sleep phones. And then you're all paired. I know it's a pain to do all of this, but in the end, you get an extremely comfortable sleep mask, and it's amazing. Next comes sleep tracking. I use my Fitbit, and it records the different stages of my sleep. Tracking will give you a better sense how to improve sleep over time. Sadly, the fact is, as our immune systems developed, they suffered from an excessive, misdirected inflammatory response as a result of poor sleep, which I believe led to the development of multiple sclerosis. But you can turn the ship around. I can tell you from experience, sleep has the ability to calm the inflammatory response. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.